How to make your text appear one by one in Google Slides. So instead of your text or your page appearing, the entire thing appearing once or immediately, here's how to make stuff appear one by one after each other. So first you will need to select the first thing that you want to move into the screen. So for example, this text right here. And then you want to go to animations, which you can access from animate right here, or sometimes you will see 3 vertical dots. Click on it and it will show these 2 options. Click on animate, and under object animations you should click on the drop down right here which says appear, and you can change it to fade in, for example. You can also use any other effect that you'd like, so for example fly out, zoom in, and stuff like that. And make sure to set it on click as well. And then you can select the second piece of text or object or image that you want to appear next. For example, this one, and then hit the add animation button and switch it from appear to fade in or whatever effect that you're trying to use. And set it to on click as you set the other one. Next, you can select your images or other stuff like that. Switch it to fade in as well and on click. You can also control the speed of the animation from here by adjusting this slider. As you can see, there is the time in seconds above it, which is probably how long it will take to bring this to the screen. You can make it very slow, which takes to 5 seconds to appear, and fast to 0.1 seconds. I'm going to set it to medium, which is about 2.5 seconds. And if your text contains multiple lines or multiple paragraphs, you can basically, after hitting the add animation, you can simply check by paragraph to bring each paragraph or each line individually and animate it individually. And once you've done and added all the animations that you need, you can simply hit the play button and just watch it appear. And whenever you click, something will appear from the animated stuff. And as you can see right here, and on the right side you can see which animation is currently playing or being played. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.